So it's raining today, and I just got done doing up some more shirts. So I've got all of these. I plan to make a video for those when I'm ready to start selling them. Heads up, they're gonna be $25 shipped. I don't know how that's gonna work if there's multiple shirts. So it should probably be the same, just $25 shipped. And I'm probably gonna end up just going through Facebook, because there's a Garageless group and page. I would just join the group and then just go about that way. And just message me or something. But yeah, that's not what we're here for today. This time, so the last video, alright, got it out. I'm gonna have to make a mount for that. And so now we gotta take out the seatbelt there, take out this trim piece here. That should be it. So we just gotta take those out. And I may have done a thing, if you could only imagine. What the fuck? So yeah, I got bored. Fuck it. I mean, I plan to eventually replace the seats, so, you know, whatever. Have some fun with it. Trying to have some fun with the car, so. And that's pretty fucking cool. I don't really care who you are. That's fucking cool. Ghetto? Yes. Cool? Yes. America? All of it. So, let's keep going. Alright. So, it's pretty good. That thing rusted, that one rusted, but this one's bad. Yeah, we're gonna have to cut out a good chunk. Probably no different than the other side. Yeah, we're gonna grab the drill and hit up all these. So you can see some of these bubbling spots. We're gonna hit those, and yeah. So let's do that. Not sure what we're gonna do about that yet. I might do like a strap across it or something. Just strap it to there. But yeah, let's hit it with the wire wheel. Alright, we got this one cut, that one cut, and then this one. So we got that. I took out most of it and I sprayed it with the rust reformer, and then we'll weld that one in. And then these ones are just fine, but I'm welding them because I don't have the replacement thing, so I'll just weld it up. I sprayed some rust reformer up in this because that's like a lower frame rail. The rust does make me worried because I do plan to do tube chassis in the rear and the front. It's like almost like, why don't I just do a fucking full tube chassis kind of thing, but I want to learn first. It just sucks because it kind of feels like, you know, is it even worth it? Like, you know, am I just going to throw this money away? You know? But, because I feel like I'm going to be chasing the rust all the time. But yeah. So that's kind of what's going through my head right now. Next will be to get that big guy cut. I'm probably going to do it in two pieces. I'll do a piece right here, and then we'll do the piece over there. I actually might do a little piece right here to cover this first. And then, so that way this is all sealed. And then we'll do the piece across. Do a piece here, and then do a piece over here. But yeah, that's where we're at. Probably gonna grab the welder and get these three welded in, so that way I can get that section there painted so it can dry, and then we'll focus back here. So let's get to getting. Alright, there's that. There's that. It's just a little hazy in here because it just spray painted that spot. Got all that painted. Got this mostly welded in. We just got this little bit here and a little bit right there. And then this part right here will be done. Yeah. Yep, just need to get that done. And then we just got the big old hole. But you know the drill. I just ran out of welding wire. So now I gotta run to Home Depot, grab some welding wire, we'll come back, and then we'll continue on. So let's go get some welding wire. Alright, wire's back in, we're back in business, let's get this thing welded. Also, I saw the seats coming along. It's a damn shame. I posted it on like one of the groups. They said it looks like a French flag or whatever, and I'm like, God damn it. Now I gotta like put stars or something on there. So I don't know how I'm gonna do that. I'm out of white paint, so we'll have to come back to that, I guess. But yeah, if you got any, or I might do USA or something on the seat or something. But yeah, okay, back to this. Alright, so I just got the East Tuners thing zip tied up, and I got this thing on, zip tied on. The seat gets pushed all the way up against it, so that helps. But yeah, there it is. Floor's already dirty because there was a bunch sitting on top of this. But, so it doesn't look too bad. So we did like a little patch here, and this patch. We got a patch here, and patch there. You know, these are more covers than patches, but yeah. So now let's put the seat back in. All right, there it is. That's pretty badass in there. Damn, I should have done it the other way. Oh. Done the red, white, and blue on the back. Yeah. There's that. Next thing I gotta do is go grab the scale so we can weigh this. And we'll know how much the carpet weighs. All is one. Because the driver's side was 19 pounds, so let's find out how much passenger side weighs. All right, 185. $205. So what is that, 20 pounds? So 20 pounds. Alright, well, that's going to be it, guys. Lost another 20 pounds, so 39 pounds in carpet. So that's pretty sweet. Got America freaking passenger seat. And, yeah. It's freaking still pouring outside. But, yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. See you guys in the next one.